Welcome back into 13 News this morning. It's National Breakfast Month, and Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission is joining me here with our first breakfast recipe. What are we making? We got a blender, I'm assuming. Maybe a smoothie?
We are. We're going to make an orange soy yogurt smoothie.
Yum.
It is delicious, and this one recipe will make 4 servings.
Okay,
and it's easy that you can do in the morning, so that we like those quick things when we're busy getting ready. This is 1 cup of orange juice, and I'll let you pour that in. And then I have 2 cups of vanilla soy yogurt. And oh, this adds such goodness and gives us the richness, and you can see how smooth it is and creamy. So that's going to be great for our smoothie. And then you're going to put in a cup of ice. Put that in there.
Enough?
Yep. We'll put the lid on it, and then we're just going to, about 30 seconds to blend it to the just until you don't hear that ice, that you get it all. We might have gone could have gone just a little bit longer, but how quick was that? That's right. It'll make it nice and cold. There's one there.
I think I'm gonna try it now.
Please do. We'll have another one here for our display. And you know, you can find all kinds of flavored soy yogurts too. So if
you don't have to use vanilla.
No, you could go ahead and add maybe blueberry yogurt to it to make it add another fruit. Another suggestion I wanted to give is that in the stores you can find these cute little, this is chocolate soy beverage here, and they're great to put in lunch packs. They're great for snacks, and this has got 8 grams of protein in it.
Oh, wow.
And when you're comparing other types of beverages that are out there that are alternatives to milk, if you're looking at it, be sure to check the protein in them. You're getting that soy protein, and we need 25 grams every day. That helps reduce the risk of heart disease, cancers, all kinds of good things for us. So anyway, that's a little tip here. We'll put that in our display.
Lots of great health benefits.
And we'll be making muffins and a potato casserole here today too.
And Charlene, where can people find this recipe?
They can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail the recipes to them.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much, Charlene.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back.